Hi guys.
Hello guys, it's me, Louisiana State Rail Fanning, and we're seeing fireworks right now. Oh my God. Yep. Ooh, I like that sound.
Ooh, that one's pretty.
You can't turn it.
Oh, I like this, guys. I think that was the 4th of July. Okay, that was kind of big.
Hello y'all, it's me, Jay.
Oh, 2!
And
Yep. And that. Oh, and that. Man, this is a lot of fireworks. This is cool, guys. Oh my God. Oh my God, that's so much. Yeah, guys, this is a lot. Yep. Oh my God. Oh my God. Sorry, guys.
That's a good one, I bet. Oh.
Yeah.
You don't feel it?
That was you? I thought that was Jax being excited. That felt good.
Yep.
Oh, and you was just letting them do it.
Yeah. Yeah.
Wait, where's the other one?
Oh, I think they're going to go crazy within the next 5 minutes. Ooh, that was
that one was the biggest one we've seen.
That was the biggest one.
It's bigger than the screen, guys. Happy 4th of July, guys.
Happy 4th of July, guys.
Two more.
Oh, yeah.
Like that sound. Whatever that's. Oh, that's cool. Yep. They're big. Oh my God, guys. Sorry. Sorry for that lag.
There we go.
Oh, that's a lot.
Oh, yeah, they're going to go crazy now. I'm hoping.
Yep. At the end, guys, they're gonna just spam the button for the fireworks just to go out. Like all of that. Like that. But more.
Oof.
Sorry, guys. Excuse me. But sorry for the lag again. It's my mom's crazy phone. Yeah, it might lag sometimes, so. Oh, that's big.